Some equations can be very difficult to solve algebraically, so in a situation like this, we can use our graphing calculators to find our solution. This will work for something exponential or logarithmic, or really anything in algebra can be solved using this technique. What I'm going to do is I'm going to graph both sides of my equations as two separate curves. So I've gone into graph and I've already entered both of these in. I've entered the left side as y1 and the right side as y2. The e to the x button is right here, so second and then natural log will get you to e to the x if you're not sure where that button's located. So let's go ahead and hit graph and see what these two curves look like. So on my color screen calculator, it's pretty easy to see that there's one curve that's actually y2. I've labeled it down here. And the blue curve is y1. Wherever those intersect, and there may be more than one intersection, or maybe there's no intersection points, but where they intersect will be the solution. So let's go ahead and use our calculator to find out this x value of the intersection. So to do that, hit second, and then trace, and select option 5, that's intersect. And then what they'll ask you to do is just move your cursor over close to that intersection point. And if you have more than one intersection, you have to do this a couple times and make sure you get close to the one you want to find. Once you're close to it, just hit enter 3 times. They're going to ask you 3 questions down here. So enter again for the second curve, and then enter a 3rd time for guess. And what we'll do is it'll find my intersection point. It's the x value that I'm looking for. So my x value, my solution is approximately negative 4.307. And once again, if there's more than one intersection, you would need to find all of them. One nice thing about solving by graphing is that you'll only see actual solutions. If you've seen the other videos, you know that sometimes we get extraneous solutions, solutions that don't actually work when you plug them back in. Extraneous solutions will not show up on your graph. You will only see the actual solutions. So one other nice thing about solving by graphing.